fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. You can see this. This is a whole, a circle that is not divided. And I have it now divided into 3. I want to cut off this part. If I cut off this part, that becomes a part, that is fraction. But when it's like this, not divided, that is a whole. So fraction means a part of a whole. So you can have a whole bread. When you slice it and have some pieces, when your parents slice the bread to share it, that becomes fraction. We use fraction in everyday life when we want to share with our friends, with our siblings. So in today's lesson, let us find out parts of fraction. Fraction is looking like this: 1/2, 1/3. You look at this fraction. This is divided into 3. This is one circle divided into 3. And we are giving 1. We are giving these parts. That becomes 1/3. The 1 on top is called the numerator. So the top number is called the what? Good, numerator. The down number is called the denominator. The down number is called the denominator. The numerator tells you how many parts you have. The numerator shows how many parts you have. How many parts? So this is 1 part. That is the numerator. And the denominator shows how many parts the whole is divided. This whole is divided into 3. 1, 2, 3. So that is the denominator. How many parts that was given to you is this 1 part. That is the numerator. So anytime you're looking at the fraction, you must be able to observe the numerator as well as the denominator. That is the part of fraction. So when you have, and the numerator tells you how many parts you have taken, while the denominator tells you how many parts the whole is divided into. So when you share something, into like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our denominator becomes 8. If you are giving these parts 2, the fraction becomes 2/8. If you are giving 3 parts or 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fraction becomes 4/8. So 4/8. Numerator tells us how many parts you have, while the denominator tells us how many parts the whole is divided into. Now we have types of fraction. Types of fraction. When the denominator is bigger than the numerator, we say it's a proper fraction. Something like this. Number 1 is proper fraction. That is when the denominator, proper fraction, when the denominator is bigger than the numerator. When the what? Denominator is bigger than the numerator. You can see something like 1/6, 3/5, 4/7. The numerator is smaller. See the numerator. 1 is smaller than 6. 3 is smaller than 5. So this 5, which is the denominator, can carry it comfortably. That is what we call proper fraction. The denominator is bigger than the numerator. But the time comes when the numerator becomes bigger. That becomes something else. We call it improper fraction. So the next is improper fraction. Example is 5 over 2. You can see 5 is bigger than 2. 2 is carrying a bigger number. That is improper fraction. You have 7 over 5. 7 is bigger than 5. So the denominator is smaller while the numerator is bigger. That is improper fraction. Another type of fraction is mixed number or mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, or some persons can call it a mixed number. Some persons call it a mixed number. So in this one, we have a whole number and a proper fraction. You have 5 whole number, 1 over 3. This is a whole number, and this is a proper fraction, which is 1 over 3. Can see 1 over 3 is a proper fraction because the 1 is smaller than 3. Another one is 4 whole number. Another one is 7 whole number, 4 over 5. 7 whole number, 4 over 5. When you have a whole number and a fraction, that becomes a mixed fraction. Fraction is very, very easy and to understand. So know that these are types of fraction. When you have mixed number, there's a proper fraction as well as whole number together. But when it is proper fraction, you have lesser number up, bigger number down. When it is improper fraction, you have bigger number up, lesser number down. Do you get that? So do this exercise and put the answer in the comment section. Which of these is a proper fraction? Let me know the one that is a proper fraction. Put the answer in the comment section. I want to read your comments. Please, if you have watched this video to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click that subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload videos on this channel. Yes, I'm going to upload interesting videos, educational videos for parents, teachers, and learners. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.